Success at anything will always come down to this. Focus and effort, and we control both. Be humble, be hungry, and always be the hardest worker in the room. It's not about the car you drive. It's about the size of the arm hanging out of the window. Blood, sweat, and respect. First two you give, the last one you earn. When you walk up to opportunity's door, don't knock it. I like to use the hard times in the past to motivate me today. Success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. It's you versus you. The road to success and greatness is always paved with consistent hard work. The first step to achieving your goal is to take a moment to respect your goal. Don't be afraid to be ambitious about your goals. Hard work never stops. Neither should your dreams. Success is not about being a star. It's about being the one that makes the stars. I'm always asked, what's the secret to success? But there are no secrets. Be humble, be hungry, and always be the hardest worker in the room. In 1995, I had $7 in my pocket and knew two things. I'm broke as hell, and one day I won't be. It's not about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday. We do today what they won't, so tomorrow we can accomplish what they can't. Sometimes the most important thing you can do is just show up. The road to success is always under construction. Success isn't owned, it's leased, and rent is due every day.